Switch it. Just use your imagination. Ghetto, living uptown. Uptown, living in the garrison. It wouldn't be easy. Could never be easy. Not at all. Yeah, I know disrespect. It's just people living in other people's footsteps. It's more like a reality check. Know what I mean? Imagine uptown people are living on the ghetto for a week. Downtown move gone in the uptown era. Things nice, proper English them a speak. Uptown people coulda never stand it when the pipe them a leak. First of all, them never knew how to bridge light. Now I use the igloo with the ice them used to fridge life. Bitch a Porsche, I live a Spain. Bitch a Bruce Golden, live a 100 lane. Bitch a me, we're richer than Matalan. While him live a Kent, tie up and piece a capture land. Bitch a Michael Leachin, wall off the gully side. Him and the thugs them a bleach, so you can't go beside. Picture Bush to water, wipe your glass and I ask you for the change where you got now. No, it wouldn't be easy trading places with the ghetto. It wouldn't be easy to hear rich people cause a echo. It wouldn't be easy, wouldn't be nice to see us rise, give them a surprise and make them know we can also live these lives. Imagine uptown people are living on the ghetto for a week. Downtown move gone in the uptown era. Things nice, proper English them a speak. Uptown people coulda never stand it when the pipe them a leak. First of all, them never knew how to bridge light. Now I use the igloo with the ice them used to fridge light. What if Sizzler was the commissioner? Police couldn't arrest we for a split. If Alliance was national security, nobody couldn't violate nor slip. Suppose uptown people have in yam chicken back and ton cornmeal, go see them with finger lick. Now imagine if ghetto youth a go to the ATM for draw cash. Uptown youths a pocket them a pick now. Hey, me say we can't separate ourselves. Uptown, downtown, come we elevate ourselves. Street knowledge it make me educate myself and be wise. So, hey, me say we can't separate ourselves. Uptown, downtown, come we elevate ourselves. Street knowledge it make me educate myself and be wiser. Hey, which other? It wouldn't be easy. Uptown trading places with the ghetto. Wouldn't be easy to hear rich people pass a echo. It wouldn't be easy, wouldn't be nice to see us rise, give them a surprise and let them know we can also live this life. Imagine uptown people are living on the ghetto for a week. Downtown move gone in the uptown era. Things nice, proper English them a speak. Uptown people coulda never stand it when they can't them a beat. First of all, them never knew how to bridge light. Now I use the igloo with the ice them used to fridge life. Picture that. It wouldn't be easy, wouldn't be nice. No, could never be easy. Trading places couldn't be nice. No, wouldn't be nice. Believe me now, wouldn't be nice. People, imagine uptown people are living on the ghetto for a week. Downtown move gone in the uptown era. Things nice, proper English them a speak. It's so real. I'm gonna start the party. Listen me keenly. Picture PJ at the studio. I look at boss as a DJ. Picture Pick and Skill at the bus stop. A ball said the sun hot. Them ever go through that? Hear me now. Unite, live. Peace.